Right, so far took off front wheel, took off the mudguard, front wheel, there's my rotten mudguard. Right, as you look at it, your left hand side, well, you're right when you sit on it, left when you look at it, there is a big spacer what goes on the wheel this side, and your speedo goes on to your right when you look at it, left when you sit on it. These bolts were 10mm on mine. Your big shaft bolt was a 19, but don't forget to unscrew your Allen key here first before you try and undo it. Your pinch bolt, unscrew that for you to pull out your shaft. So next thing is to undo my trees, to slide out my shocks. So took my brake caliper off, hung that up with a bungee so I don't stretch my line. Let's get these off. Alright, as you can tell, front forks are off. I've undone the bottom bolt for the headlight, what is here. And I've noticed the bracket for the headlight goes to where the speedo is. I've undone one Allen key, as you can see there. I am just trying to undo that one here. And hopefully the bracket for the headlight will come away, and so will the speedo. We'll go from there. So that's the headlight done. And so I'm just undoing that bracket there, so we'll release some indicators, and hopefully everything, all my wires will drop down out of the way, and my top and bottom yoke. There you go, that's all stripped. And that'll be it for today, as I've got things to get done. I've got things to get done. So, for my memory is that plug here with the yellow, black, brown and blue, I think it is, goes in to this connection here. That one there, and my speedo with the blue, green and white goes into the connection next to it. I'll just pull my speedo off. So next time I'll drop the bottom and top tree off, sand them down, get them ready for spray. I'm going to try and take these top razors off, clean them up, so everything is clean, get ready for spray next time. I need to sand all them down, cut the front mudguard, sand that down, get it all ready for spray. So don't forget to subscribe and watch. Hit the like button if you want to carry on watching this build turn into a bobber rat. Everybody have a good day.